Yo, boxing session time. We just got a package in from the homie Mike over at Devoted Brand. Let's get into it. What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Big Brando, and today we're going to be doing a boxing session or an unboxing of this package we got in from the homies over at Devoted Brand. I wasn't expecting this, so I'm going to turn the camera down so we can check it out, open it up together. All right, got my little blade here. Slice it open. Looks like we got a t-shirt from the homie packaged up. Let's check it out. The one thing I do know about the homie Mike over at Devoted Brand is he has his own DTF printer in his shop. So let's check it out. We got some stickers. Devoted Brand. Hopefully you could see those. And we got a little, oh, this is cool. It's a little hang tag that he wrote thank you on. And let's see what the mission, oh, they got the QR code, branding on this side. This side, it says Devoted Brand is lifestyle positivity movement. Remain focused towards the betterment of yourself, one step at a time on this journey of life and happiness. Stay devoted to your hopes, goals, dreams, and do not lose sight of what matters most. There you go, positive messaging from the homies over at Devoted Brand. Let's get into this t-shirt. We got the neck label. Machine wash warm, no chlorine, bleach, tumble dry, medium, do not iron or dry clean. Devoted Brand, be true, size extra large, 100% cotton. This looks like puff with some regular flat. Let me move this out the way, so I could turn it around. So the front print right here is puff and red. And then all of this is flat DTF, which is cool to mix the medias. I think that's a cool hit. Let's check out the back. Huge back print. Marked by commitment. It looks like it has some old tattoo flash, traditional style tattoo designs here. The homie Mike also owns a tattoo shop called Devoted. I might be wrong, but I think that's his shop also. So it explains the tattoo traditional flash style designs here. This red on the back is all DTF, the red and the white. This isn't puff like the front is. Good clean prints though. The prints feel good, especially for printing his own DTF. It feels good, looks good. And then he also has his QR code on the sleeve right here. Does sleeve have anything? No. Not 100% sure what type of blank this is. I'm gonna guess a Gildan shirt. I might be wrong, but this kind of feels like a Gildan just by looking at the sleeves. So Mike, if you're in the comments checking this out, let me know what blank t-shirt this is. But appreciate the gift. Thanks for shooting this out to me. I like the way that you mix the medias on this one right here. Puff with the regular traditional DTF is a dope hit. Branding looks good. Everything's cohesive. Very clean work, man. So if you're looking for DTF prints and you're in the Florida area, I think Palm Beach, Palm Coast, Florida. If you're out that way and you're looking for DTF prints, hit up the Devoted Brand. They got a printer. They're banging out DTF prints for himself and for others. So if you're looking for a local supplier, make sure you hit him up. Shout out to the homie Mike. Appreciate the gift. I'll leave all of his information in the description box for you guys. If you guys have any questions about anything we talked about on here, I'm trying to get down to the camera view. Make sure you leave it in the comments. Follow me on Instagram if you wanted to. Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah, peace.